Now, when will the apocalypse come? I get asked this question all the time. It's one of my favorite questions, actually. I never get tired of it. Nobody knows when the apocalypse will come. We do know, those of us who study eschatology, that it is going to come, that it is inevitable, and I believe, and many others, that it's cyclical. So by looking and studying the ancient past, the hidden history, and what I call ancient oblivion, we can better learn how we got to the present and therefore what is going to happen in the future. This is learning prophecy. How do we do that, though? Well, we need to take a look at the omens of the world, all of the strange things that always happen and precede a coming apocalyptic event. And I'll go over some of these omens here in just a minute. We also need to take into consideration chaos theory when trying to predict the end of the world. Every person who has ever attempted to predict the end of the world since the last time the world ended has been wrong, because here we are today. Some people may argue that and say, well, it did end, we just don't know it, or we've dissolved and we're now in the 40th dimension, or stuff like that, or the apocalypse happens inside of you. I love that one. Yeah, sure, I believe everything's fractal, but I'm talking about a physical, actual, historic event that is on the way. Chaos theory. So mathematically speaking, nobody can predict, calculate, or figure out any type of pattern so that they can tell you when and where when the apocalypse is going to happen. They cannot tell you the day, they can't tell you the hour. You can know when the seasons are. You can look at the omens around you and you can tell when they are. I'll explain that too. We also have the quickening of days to consider. I've done many different videos about the different religions, not just the words of Jesus, which we'll take a look at here in a minute, but the quickening of days. Time itself is speeding up right now. If you don't recognize it, that's fine. I respect that. Take that statement I just made, put it on the shelf for a while, and take what does resonate with you. Myself and thousands upon thousands of other people feel like time is speeding up, and it's much more than feeling. There is evidence, there is proof to show you that time is actually speeding up and the days are flying past.